Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mievida pulse oximeter. The model number for this particular pulse oximeter is MPO201 and comes with a 0.96-inch OLED display. There you can see it's written right over here. This is a pulse oximeter. It's designed to read SpO2 levels of your blood oxygen saturation levels. Let's open this box and see what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mievida pulse oximeter. And first off, we have a user manual. We also have a tiny lanyard as well for carrying this particular device around. These are your two AAA batteries, which we will attach to this particular oximeter and show you how it works. But first, let's take a look at the oximeter itself. This is what it looks like. There you go. So this is what the oximeter looks like. It's white. It's had a plastic body. It's very lightweight, and that's how they're supposed to be. This is where your finger is supposed to go in, and this is where the battery is going. I'm going to insert the batteries over here now. And press on this button right over here. Immediately it starts reading. And there you can see I have a SpO2 level of 99 right now, which is not bad. And that's about it. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mievida pulse oximeter. Thank you for watching.